And I remember one in Labrador. Well, there was quite a few in Labrador. Your mother. There's a big whiteout. And that means you couldn't see you could only see about a foot in front of you. She was at school and she said to her friend, "How are you going to get home? The bus is not running and school is canceled." And your mother said, "Oh, Dad'll drive you." What was it, 7 miles?
Yeah, about that. In a
So,
whiteout.
We get in the car in the whiteout, went to Happy Valley, took her home.
Yeah,
That
but
took about,
we didn't get there. We were at Canix, remember? And we see a vehicle.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, we see there's a lady in a white car. I saw her running towards me because every car was hitting her car because they thought it was a snowbank. I don't know what happened to her.
You got out to go check.
Yeah.
And you took like 10 steps and came back and your whole face was frostbitten.
Yeah. So we got her to the valley. Took a half an hour to take her to the valley and about 7 hours to get home. Because there was only one road and there was a car in front of us. He'd get stuck. I'd help him get out and someone would help me and all the way.
Wow. No.
Good Samaritan, your mother.